Want to snag those awesome Valorant skins, but only have a vanilla Visa gift card? Don't worry, we'll show you how to turn that gift card into powerful in-game gear. First, make sure your vanilla Visa gift card is activated for online purchases. You can usually do this by visiting the card issuer's website or calling the phone number on the back of the card. Follow the prompts to register it. Next, navigate to the official Valorant website and find the section for purchasing Valorant Points. This is where you'll spend your points on weapon skins, agent contracts, and more. On the checkout page, select the credit, debit card payment method. This is where your vanilla Visa will come into play. Carefully enter your gift card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Remember, the CVV is usually a 3 or 4-digit number on the back of your card. Double-check everything for accuracy. You'll also need to provide your billing address. This should match the address you registered with your vanilla Visa gift card during activation, often the same address you use for online shopping. Once you've entered all the details and confirmed your purchase, your Valorant points will be added to your account. Enjoy your new skins. Using a vanilla Visa gift card is a straightforward way to enhance your Valorant experience. Now go show off your new gear.